how to detect and delete unused metrics. How many of you know about this unused metrics problems in Prometheus? Yeah, I think there are a lot of users who stumble with this problem. And let's think how to solve this problem. And why unused metrics are important? I think you know that they occupy a lot of disk space and occupy a lot of memory. And obviously, they are never used. Then the question arises why we need to spend disk space and memory for such metrics. Okay, how to detect unused metrics? There are two ways. The hard way is the following. The first step is you need to get a list of all the metric names from your Prometheus or from Victoria Metrics, like this example. Then the next step is to inspect all your recursion and Aliaksandr rules and extract all the metric names from these rules. Then go to your Grafana dashboards and extract all the metric names from PromQL queries across all these dashboards, and then subtract these found metric names from the metric names obtained from this Prometheus API, which returns metric names which are stored in Prometheus. This is the hard way. Who tried this way? Oh, there are people who tried this way. Okay, and there is a simpler way. I heard that Mimir tool has this analyze command, and it can perform something like this, but automatically. But the only drawback, it works only on for Grafana, as understood correctly. Okay, and the second way is the following. You can track all the metric names which are stored into Prometheus or other database during data ingestion. Then you can track also metric names for all the queried metrics with all the query select time series selectors. And then you cannot wait for some time, for a day, for example, or for longer time, and then automatically subtract the queried metrics from the stored metrics and get the set of unused metrics. This is not so hard to implement, and that's why, okay, that's another step. When you identified all the unused metrics, it is good to start removing the metrics which takes a lot, the majority of memory and disk space. And how to detect these metrics? And obviously, you can use TSDB status information for this, this Prometheus feature, which shows you metric names with the biggest number of time series. So if you identified unused metric names in this list, it's better to remove these metrics from this list. And as I said, it is not so hard to implement it. That's why, okay, I forgot. And how to delete unused metrics? You can delete them at metric ingestion with metric labeling configs like this one by enumerating these metric names or prefixes or suffixes with regex and drop these metric names. And Victoria Metrics already implements this. You can see here metric names with the top number of time series, and you can see here the number of requests for this metrics, select requests, and the last time this metrics has been queried. And if you see 0 here in this row, then obviously you can drop this metric. Or if you see that the metric has been requested long time ago, then probably it's also a good idea to remove this metric. And the call to action is to let's implement it in Prometheus.
Thank you.